Welcome. It is June 5th, and this is CoCo Chinook. The new proud owner is Lindy Flynn of Sandpoint, Idaho, and Nelson, British Columbia. Right now, as you can tell from the trees, we're up in British Columbia, and we just went to see Joey at Shorty's, and she's going to get all of her fluids and spark plugs and everything all checked more and better next week. But she drives like a dream, came up from Sandpoint, Idaho, just fit as a fiddle, only coughed a little bit coming up to Whitewater. I've got her parked up against some sort of nice, I think, cottonwood. Anyway, we'll take you inside. She's a 1977 Chevy Concourse Chinook, or Chinook Concourse, and she is in fantastic shape. She has 71, now she's got 71,500 some miles on her. When I got her, she had 71,333. She's got the little smaller window on this side. She's all, of course, all fiberglass and in great shape. There's only a little tiny bit of dry rot under one of the windows. But for somebody that's 42, I think she's dandy. And I'm in love. Come on, kid. You go out. Go on. Out you go. There you go. Seemed important to get the wasp out. So this one came with 2 twins and a nice little overhead storage that I've already got packed. And she's got the smaller window on that side. She's got a full 3-burner stove, which I need to put these guys back. I wasn't paying much attention. And anyway, I can do that. And she's got a full oven. Yo! And this works. A Dometic refrigerator that looks like it's in great, everything's in just amazing shape. And a lovely sink. Woohoo! And this is fabulous. She's got a full bath. And one thing, probably could use a more deluxe latch on the little cupboard. And the hose. And I've already cleaned all of her white water out, or gray water out and everything. That's what, okay, you gotta hear this. So Chinooks were built out of real wood. This is a solid piece of wood. And when you close it, it goes thunk. And all of the cabinets are real wood cabinets. And they go thunk and they look great. So I don't know how this will work on the video by turning you upside down. And there is a table that goes there. I don't have the post. It did not come with the post. But it does have the wraparound. I think this is so cute. I took the curtains off of this side because it kept falling down on me. And I'm sure there's some way to get it not to do that. But it's got a little rail all the way around the front. So you can put the curtains all the way around. And yes, this is my Chevy Chinook. I'm so excited. And she's got that great paneled walls with something that I don't know what it is, but I'll figure it out. It's the control panel. And last but not least, every vanner's dream is a fantastic fan. So I'm pretty stoked. I've got plans to take her down to the Columbia Gorge at the end of June. And then my big goal is to take her all around Canada this summer, or no, take her around BC, and then go to Mexico in January for 3 or 4 months down to Todos Santos. But this is my new van, and